One of the cool things about an iPhone is Apple Wallet. In Apple Wallet, you can add your credit cards, your bank cards, et cetera, et cetera. And when you add them, all you need to do is double click the side button. And when you double click the side button, you can choose which credit card you want to use and then simply tap or hold your phone right over the point of sale device where it typically would say tap here, and you can pay with the credit card that is in your Apple Wallet. In this video, I want to show you how to add a credit card to your Apple Wallet. You go into settings. In settings, the easiest way to do this is just type in the word wallet. And when you type in wallet, there's an option, add cards. So click on that. So these are all the different cards that I can add to my device. Click on debit or credit card. I can hit continue. The easiest way to add a credit card to your Apple Wallet is to hold the credit card on the back of the cell phone at this point and let it scan the chip. If that doesn't work, then you can choose to enter the card details manually. If you're holding it and it doesn't seem to work, you think it should work, just move the card around a little bit on the top of the cell phone and you'll eventually see it start scanning as it is right now. And it will add the card as it contacts the bank to get permission. You want to read the terms and conditions so you understand what it's saying there. And if you agree with them, click agree. If you don't agree, click disagree and don't add that card. I'm going to hit agree. And it was that easy. I just added my legacy Visa card to my Apple Wallet. And it wants to know if I want to set this up as a default card. Will automatically be selected when using Apple Pay. I'm going to say not now. And it also wants to know, because I have an Apple Watch, do I want to add this to my Apple Watch? I'm going to say yes. And it'll add it to my Apple Watch as well, which is another way of accessing your Apple Wallet is through your watch. Now, in order to add the Visa card to Apple Pay or Apple Watch, I need to enter in the security code. So don't look while I type this in. It wants to know if I want to make it the default card. I'm going to say not now. It took some time for the iPhone to sync with the Apple Wallet, but now I've added my legacy debit card to the Apple Wallet. And then I've also added the legacy credit card and the Prime Visa to my Apple Watch. And now I can double click the side button on the iPhone, double click the dial on the watch, choose which credit card I want to pay with, and then just simply hold that device, either it's the iPhone or the watch, over top of the point of sale. Hey, I'm Teddy. This is Techno for Seniors, and I hope this is helpful.